Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Proton Pass across devices in 2026. If you want access to your passwords on your phone, computer, and tablet, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, make sure you are logged into the same Proton Pass account on all your devices. Syncing only works when you use the same login credentials. Next, open Proton Pass on your primary device, such as your computer or browser extension. Now go to the Settings or Account section and check that sync is enabled. Next, install Proton Pass on your other devices, such as your mobile phone or another computer. Now log in using the same email address and password that you used on your first device. Next, wait a few moments while Proton Pass automatically syncs your vault data across devices. Now check your passwords, secure notes, and login entries to confirm that everything appears correctly. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable on all devices to avoid syncing delays. If syncing does not start automatically, try signing out and signing back into your account. Finally, keep Proton Pass updated on all devices to ensure smooth and continuous synchronization. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sync Proton Pass across devices. Your passwords are now safely available everywhere you need them. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.